Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base withdrawal from the base website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. This is the website. I have this much coin to my balance and I want to withdraw this coin to my faucetpay instantly. First of all, I go to my faucetpay, copy my Tron wallet address because I want Tron. I come down. This website pay you a least Tron, but it's a light website, pay you 100% free. About that I share with you this website. This is my Tron wallet address. I come here, paste it, and after that I just click withdraw button to withdraw the amount, pay me instantly to my faucetpay. And that's it. This website send me my free crypto to my faucetpay. I go to overview, come down to share with you the withdrawal proof. Okay guys, now you can see this website send me my free torrent to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join and start earning. Bye bye for now.